You read the title. I believe in you. And if you clicked on this video, I'm sure you're wanting me to explain why. So, with that said, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get on with this. To my brothers and sisters watching, please realize you have a mind, the most powerful tool humanly obtainable. And you can truly accomplish whatever you imagine with this mind of yours. You just have to train it to do so. If you are interested, stick with me as I'm about to go deep on ya with a powerful, powerful formula. And we already know this formula subconsciously, but as we know of, awareness is power. And that's because once you bring this to a conscious level, you can use it on demand. All right, so let me further explain this. If you have a dream, goal, or just that what you desire to bring forth, you're going to have to envision and imagine that goal. What would it take to get it? And what would it be like to already have it? You then have to begin creating an identity attached to this newfound idea of yours. Build the proper self-image aligned to this. This will allow for your inner conversation to induce self-persuasion and help you reach success. How will you ever start working out if you view yourself as a lazy bum? Come on now. Having a self-image aligned with your desires will increase the chances of you navigating this journey from a place of flow instead of frustration and doubt. As to attract this desire or dream of yours, you must be one with it at the same frequency. Come on, this is basic law of attraction, my brothers and sisters. You will also need to set your values and beliefs to align with this new desire. And your capabilities will have already been cultivated, or you understand that you can further develop your capabilities and skills as you progress. And you should have confidence in these capabilities, faith in yourself, and confidence to expand and grow them. For example, accepting failure from a place of flow, seeing it as a learning curve instead of a failure. You can only fail when you give in to failure, so don't be that guy. And once you grow your capabilities of yours, it may equally help you further realize more values and beliefs aligned with your success, or what we call the success consciousness. And you will have saturated your mind to the point where your reality, which is mainly an expression of your subconscious, is completely designed by yourself to progress you towards your own success. Now, your behaviors or actions is what will actually take you towards your desire and also help you obtain further desires. This would be things like morning and evening routines, or just your habits and thought processes. Behaviors is where you begin to create your reality. As stated before, behaviors are typically subconscious. So, as we know of, our reality is mainly created from our subconscious. Don't ever forget, our minds create our reality and our consciousness experiences that. Understand that your inner voice or inner dialogue is a pivotal key in your journey, as this dialogue can either hinder you or help you. Realize that you can observe this little voice in your head. And we all have it within ourselves. This voice is not you. It is an advanced survival mechanism that you may program to support and encourage you in your journey. Your inner dialogue, once aligned with your success consciousness, can bring flow and joy into your day-to-day life. This process I have now given to you will help you develop that inner dialogue to where it supports you in your journey and will help you get to where you want in life. This will allow you to believe in yourself. No matter what step you are at within this process, realize that you have already experienced this. You are not starting from scratch. Every single one of us has life experience that can relate to this. We've had a vision or goal that we accomplished, and as a result, we changed to align with it. This was simply a formula I have given to you, and everybody is capable of exercising this formula, which is why I believe in you. So please get on with your day. I respect and love you as a brother or a sister, and I hope you have gained some value and insights from this video. Much love, family.